So we're about an hour out. Our staff should be showing up pretty soon. We're gonna have our snack bar open. We have some treats. So we're really excited about this. There could be 4 people, there could be 1,000,000. We don't know, but boy, is there a lot of snow. Here we are. This is happening.
Here we are.
There's a ton of people shoveling.
For recommendation, we have EMS here.
Shout out to Northern Valley EMS for coming out with very short notice.
Shout out to Smoke.
Shout out to Smoke, who is over here going to town on that plow.
We have about 40 people here,
About
ballpark.
40 people. I just picked up pizzas because Mark Fishbach, aka Markiplier, very kindly has sponsored some food for the people who came out to help tonight.
Both a big pizza order and snacks in our snack bar, so our full menu's on Mark tonight.
Yeah, it's incredible. Up on screen, we wanted to entertain people but didn't know what to do because it's not movie time yet. So we put up a...
Iron Lung the movie, it's Iron Lung the game as played by Markiplier.
As you can see, this is much wider. There's a lot more room. There's definitely room for cars.
Yeah, there's room for cars. This is what we had originally hoped.
Oh, it looks great.
No, it's great.
It's incredible.
We're like maybe an hour and a half in, and we have cleared like 3 times the number of spaces that we thought we would.
We were hoping for like a few rows, maybe, to be able to fit like 30 or 40 cars.
We probably have room for 60 or 70 here now. So
far, yeah.
This is incredible.
There's kids, there's dogs, there's families, there's fans of Markiplier, there are neighbors. How wide?
I should have rammed it. I should have rammed it.